very sad. And Rami, who in fact now I was also disappointed like you are, because you go to a police service or performance and all that. Nana, so we share IGP Yohuno and the performance. Me just say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Emano and no maybe taxi beer ese udiso. And Jeff, I forwarded to you quickly now. Nana and find the time when Juma. So Nana Bra in March, Bra no also in the new IGP no. Nana asema His Excellency ekai eni na Mary Dibi. Or say Oshe head and one. Or say President John Dramani Mahama has called for urgent reforms within the Ghana Police Service to address rising crime and to restore public trust in law enforcement. Na one kasa ne kasa na mpese me reading the coach no.
One kasa.
Mampeni. Or say the Ghana Police Service is the bedrock of our nation's stability. He stated, adding, however, that the increasing incidence of violent crime, cyber crime, and other security threats demand a radical transformation in how we approach policing. President Mahama made the remarks during the swearing-in ceremony of the new IGP, that is Christian Tete Yohuno. It in another say the charge of the IGP increasing what? Violent crimes, cyber crimes, and other security threats are ekoso ewo memu. Now let's ask ourselves. Muntaka Emma press briefing sa okaya. Now on the state of affairs accountability forum omo we ya no mbeye o mampani akachi no moye ministry of friends communication information omo nyina na ebo ama sa ade ne ba na muntaka ko kan sembi interior minister so afo hwe fisem ne bamboso na sa asem no or say as of July data or the mine as of July the country no say ya recorded 628 robbery incidents July this year 2025 year and 340 murder cases. Emu ayehu. Na okan say rise hadwene. And now they compare 2024 figures amuntaka na nkasa de maye from the Interior Ministry. 2024 a whole year no. Yenya 1219 reported cases of robbery. Nana 552 murder cases. Nana sa wo the way to Muntaka statistics or the money IGP performance. Nana half year as of July 2025, near was 628 robbery cases against 2024 1219. Nana oh boom achichemua say half year of 2024 no ejina 609 so 1219 mumienu it is 609. It would compare 2025 half year no. It was 628. Meaning say yakoya ni share the nyano 2024. Na oh double no aka say half year mponi was 628 as of 2025. You know full year to say 2024 the near 1256 which is higher than the 2024 1219. Say project here
under this IGP.
Yeah. Na say code nim.
Yeah.
Na murder cases. Say what ya tonsu agogo die na nsin. Nipa mienu ayakun omo sheka emu nra ye omokoyi omo. Na okay kabo mo a 2025 half year as of July near what 340 murder cases reported.
Yeah.
Nana 2024 a whole year 552. It is a uchemu for 2024 the no there's a 276 murder cases for 2024 half year compared to 2025 half year which is 340. Let me say at the end of the year no you bet me do 380 murder cases against 552 in 2024, which is telling you say the performance in terms of violent crime about robbery murder near dena IGP Yohuno so far 8 months the yankanka ho July statistics in mabama wi and radie si agogo yinka ho na SCCC from August September October and November ye womi crimes abaso nyina yemfanka ho. And as of now, Nana, a murder ojina 340 July. Na said the abani de beke kanwa 2024 there 552 IGP Yohuno betwam bebre. And enye ne yeka You see, I started becoming disappointed in the man. Ewo bre okopie boko. Na oko eye omu mpanifo no ho na omu di nkomo na ebre okoka se na ombe recruiting nkrofo bi kra so omu de omatu ogu they will recruit some of them into the service no but say hey assurance baby and no be no working. So you see and kamena me feel say 2 years there edura eye omu kwaje omahome His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wa kan and na ye wo manu a saa de no a ekoso na esi ejai saa de na ekoso amanfo retire ni aye na post retirement contract enti saa position na nipa na timu ye ni anim difo a omu so sabi omu ko suku kro na nipa ne ko obie omu nya experience na nipa ne nya abie no enye won ko ye wo lecturers ebi won mo anu anyina broso ye wo appointees bebre bi nyini broso ni mfi atwam ni asam extend the contract edi enti ne ka retirement nipa ne ye so won ko na homegiem wa bre onko je na home. What is the problem with this? Don't we have high level led people? Almost betimi atna ho I steer affairs in that ministry, in that department, in that public sector. Again na ya na ye hu. See ni panon ko na again wo de sa track record ya me de amawi for the 8 months of IGP Yohuno ne 4 months bi kura de meka ho. We are talking just about up to July there. It we nyina beka ho ne record no in terms of crimes ne ade poor. Amanfo argue say we make arrest. Wachichi nipa be ni ehusu wachichi nipa bebre ni ade. Nana, it's not about the arrest. Enkwa. It's about your ability to fight the crimes. And only the charge of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the man in the month of March. And that is what we are looking for. That is a scorecard. Nene read in the echo. And Mestre, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And no matter said the kind when you do it, it comes back to haunt you. And no matter what I say again. Looking at the economy, looking at no own, the normal way be we now fe ebe masa goodwill no any normal any munyama when Ghana for anymore a day kono. Oh say no because everybody knows say in the police service there are potential people. Kofi be bre ama bene and I wouldn't say nana IGP no teso. Most of the work in nyina kura no be no. Omwa esase ni bikura so na ebuadoma otimi the little crow otimi achieve woye and those people can build them up na your mama take up the charge now when nim say dampare kura ye be yi na de so ntem because of politics na manfo adwen ye say ye be yi no because of born o modern o compare dampare performance to this IGP vast difference no ewa dampare is far much better and now perform better than this IGP when you compare the statistics and I believe that Mampeni onhwe no maye na okipu won
de obeya na obeye media na obi kachem se na mse bebia President John Mahama yentunefo me bebia wadri enye ni betunefo
na na eme yawo woni bi ntia eme
enye ni betunefo nti
won o sa enuma ba eda yesa dollar rate wan ye ni age yesa on we no sa na hu hia
they say crowd will be defense or and they say
yeah
true suspension in Tibia na suspension a year free
it almost had the release by so
so the question
where's the release meaning who really and
it has not been suspended, it is still in force,
so we breach
interest
breach
in the first place. John Mahama knew that tobacco retirement it is part of their
na some man for
they know
oh wait 2 years per unkai
there be no be we this year now we retirement to be sit afi 2 years no was a plan so we be 2 years
2 years na no more can no
no
oh okay
and this year no be retirement 60 and the normal second if President John Mahama
then this was premeditated
no make us they had planned it me na me president may you say muna montra ho na monye de mope obi anu obetu President John Mahama for no problem amanyofo de eba wo nyina ye beka ho asem say de na MPP fo amoamoi sa eba ye beka ho asem tum de ye radio de obeso ye bia ye ba we ye de to because that e ho asem eba
but we guide him me say we guide him
President Mintunifo
because omo di na chi no these people no
e krache say wo na Mintu President John Mahama for me say ne hwan mo no nya de oye onto aso say ne crowd say on na ewo tumi onye
ombe piapia no na be no
piapia no munye yentu President John Mahama fo e bia wadri wakwa wi nwura na Nebukadnezar wasa ba oh yeah onye de oye man krofon ka so oye ade say problem ni ho bra enche ne ye nkokọ keke
sure we say
but a quick